Recycled Rides is a program. An insurance company will donate a total loss vehicle, and then a body shop will coordinate getting a repair completed on that vehicle. We wanted to have this vehicle end up in the hands of somebody who had some military affiliation. So when we became aware of this Gold Star mother who was in need of a vehicle, it was a perfect fit.
So Larry Baker told us we were going to be doing a project for a Gold Star family. And I thought, what better way to give back to somebody who's gave the ultimate in life is to do something to help their life be better.
It was really a team effort and a team project. There's no way that a single person could have done this whole thing. So when we presented this idea to our guys and started talking to them about what it would mean to do this and to give a car away to somebody that needed one, they were all on board.
Let's get in here, gang. Good job, everybody. Baker!
When the Baker organization first decided to become part of this, the whole crew, everybody was excited.
It made me feel comfortable to do this for someone because there's not a lot of opportunities to be able to give back. You'll never make a family feel whole again that's had a loss like a Gold Star family. But anything you can do to make their life a little easier, it just makes you feel good inside to do it. I think the feeling that everybody got out of this was we don't always get to feel like we do things together. You know, everything in the shop done kind of segmented. You got body guys doing their thing, paint shop guys doing their thing, detailers doing their thing. This felt more like something that everybody did together like a project.
Personally, it was a great experience for me because my dad served, and I've never been able to really help him in the way that we are possibly be able to help other people that are in the armed services. So by building this car, it gave me a way to release some of the feelings that I have.
I think when you're fixing a car for a Gold Star family like this, it's not like fixing a regular collision car.
Every day we work on cars. Every day we cut them apart and put them back together. But this project meant more because of who it's going to. And you can put your feelings into it more because you know that this is going to a good home. It's going to help someone out that deserves it.
We take care of all our customers the same. You know, they've been inconvenienced by an accident. We try to do everything we can to get their car back to pre-accident condition to make them whole again. But I think doing it for a Gold Star family like this means a whole lot more.
When I see that mother's face when we unveil this car and we actually give it to her, I can't wait to see the expression and to see her reaction. It's going to be awesome. This Gold Star mother actually has a heart of gold. She expressed to us that her daughter's needs for transportation were greater than her own. So we are giving this car to Miss Diane, who's then turning around and giving it to Carly. Here go the keys to your new car.
Thank you.
Give y'all some hugs.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
It's a wonderful thing, and that, so many people work so hard on it and everything that, to me, this is a big thing for somebody to do for a family. So, we're so very appreciative of it, and it came at the right time.
Josh was an awesome guy. He literally, there's not one person that I know that could have a bad thing to say about him. He was just the funny guy, the nice guy. If somebody looked like they were out of place or weren't fitting in, he would go that extra mile to make them feel welcome.
Josh, he was just a very laid-back kid. Growing up, he liked to play G.I. Joe, and Army was his thing. He had an uncle that was a Green Beret, and he would bring him the MREs to play Army and everything. So he had that instilled in his soul, I think. Then as he became a teenager, he was thinking about maybe becoming a fireman or a policeman. So a service-oriented job was what he wanted to do.
I missed him more than I'll ever be able to put into words. I wish we would have been able to, experience being adults together And I love him, and I love him, and I will miss him like he was taken yesterday, and it's been 10 years.
It's a small way to give back for such a large sacrifice. You know, he lost his life in Afghanistan, and there's no way that we could ever bring him back or thank you guys enough for what he's done. My hope is that other companies will see this and that they will just see the example that's being set and understand and realize that you can make a difference.